In the last couple of decades, industry has advanced its manufacturing processes with more efficient automation than ever. Yet, during that same time period, most manufacturers' paper-based data collection processes have not advanced at all. For example, every day, operators make rounds gathering readings from non-instrumented equipment. Control room personnel record operational conditions and make notes for upcoming shifts in their paper logbooks. Quality and safety personnel make regular inspections to ensure that the facility is operating within regulatory and internal specifications. When this is all done with pencils and clipboards, mountains of paper pile up, and then the organization faces the challenge of how to process the collected data. Simply filing the data away isn't acceptable, as it limits the ability of stakeholders to use the collected data to realize the process improvements they want. Rekeying it from paper forms or spreadsheets into plant historians and other back-office systems incurs labor costs, delays, and introduces the opportunity for transcription errors. So why haven't organizations been able to improve their manual data collection processes? Well, for one, paper forms, for all their drawbacks, are easily created and managed by plant personnel. Each operating unit has unique data collection requirements, and plant personnel can easily create new paper forms or edit existing forms themselves. Secondly, organizations that consider creating custom software solutions fear that those systems will need extensive programmer and IT involvement to manage and maintain. Recognizing these challenges, Form Automation Solutions developed AuditMatic to bring operator rounds, logbooks, and inspection data collection processes into the new century. Ready to see how it works? Let's take a closer look at AuditMatic. Users first create their data collection forms using AuditMatic's friendly form creation interface. No programming experience is required. Forms and tasks are then made available to plant floor handhelds and desktop browsers. In this example, our operator will use the AuditMatic handheld client. The AuditMatic handheld directs the operator along the data collection route, ensuring worker accountability and data integrity. AuditMatic forms can contain a wide array of answer types, such as drop-down lists, decimal or whole numbers, free text answers, and more. The system can enforce limits and ranges on questions to eliminate bad data, and include additional types of data capture that weren't possible in the days of paper and pencil, such as images and even capturing GPS coordinates. AuditMatic is not just for data collection, it's also instructional. When workers encounter unusual conditions, AuditMatic can provide them with decision support tools to step them through corrective action. That way, you can ensure best practices are followed by all your workers. Once data has been collected, it is ready to be submitted to the AuditMatic server. In this case, when the operator synchronizes the handheld with its network-connected cradle. Without transcription, AuditMatic transmits process data to the plant historian, generates reports for collected inspection data, and sends out email and text message alerts to stakeholders. We recognize that not all paper-based data collection is performed by mobile workers. To meet this need, AuditMatic forms can also be filled out on desktop browsers. For example, in the control room, operators can use AuditMatic to replace their paper logs, and in the lab, quality workers can use AuditMatic to enter their readings. Either way, we've got you covered. Knowing that you're compliant with your data collection schedule is as important as collecting the information in the first place. To address this need, AuditMatic also provides powerful task management functionality, permitting administrators to easily create multiple recurring or one-time data collection schedules. AuditMatic enforces those schedules and generates compliance reports automatically, eliminating yet another manual process. AuditMatic can be easily used in a small installation or can be scaled up to serve an entire enterprise from a centralized data center. AuditMatic provides the functionality you'd expect, including Active Directory integration, support for virtual operating platforms, flexible data export to a range of external databases, so we can meet your needs, small or large. AuditMatic improves your data collection processes while driving unnecessary transcription and paper handling costs out of your budget. More timely data, faster, more complete reporting, and lower costs. AuditMatic is redefining data collection and reporting.